Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I just want to give you guys a quick update on Tesla charging different colors for the Model X and S's. Okay, so let's take a look. So let's go with the Model X. Alright, so we go custom order. And as you can see, the purchase price is still the same, $79,990. However, when we go down to the color options here, the stealth gray is the only one that is included, which is free. Any other colors will be charged, like for white color, 1500, the blue, the red, the black, solid black, and also the ultra red now is 2500. At one point in time, they used to include all of this, so it could be under $80,000 price range, so that way you guys can get the tax incentive. But now the only color that you guys get, it's the stealth gray. Any other colors, it's gonna put you guys over the 80,000 mark and will not be qualified for the 3,500 fair tax incentive. And let's take a look at the Model S. It's gonna be the same thing as well. And maybe let's see, Model S. So purchase price $74,000. So we might be able to get it still, because some of the colors still, it's not going to be more than $80,000. So the Model S should be okay. So you see here, stealth gray still included, and the white 1500, the blue 1500, solid black 1500, and let's say we go with the ultra red. That still is not going to put us over the price. So let's go all the way to the payment, and that's going to put us $79,000. But you're still under 80,000, so you're still fine with the 7,500 tax credit. But for those of you who are looking at this kind of model, you might not even care about the tax credit and go all out with all the options you want, right? All right, guys, that's pretty much it for this short video. Thank you for watching. If you liked the video, please give it a thumbs up, and if you love the channel, make sure you subscribe for more Tesla content. Thank you, take care, and I'll see you guys in the next video.